The Health Ministry has confirmed that active cases in the country have now surpassed the 7,000 mark, raising alarms among both health authorities and the public. Delhi, Kerala and Karnataka are among the worst hit. Goa, meanwhile, remains in the clear with only half a dozen of active cases. Here's more. With active cases now touching 7,121, India's health dashboard has entered a worrying zone. Over 8,500 patients have recovered, but the steady upward trend is triggering concerns of another wave. In the last 24 hours alone, Delhi added 66 new infections, pushing its total active cases to 757. While 90 patients were discharged, the pace of new infections has overtaken recoveries. In Goa, there's a slight relief. Active COVID-19 cases have declined from 9 to 6. While several states across the country are witnessing a surge, Goa currently remains relatively stable. Goa 365. I spoke to the Dean of Goa Medical College, who shared insights on the state's preparedness and ongoing vigilance measures.
Nationally, the ICMR has issued guidelines, and some states are heightening their COVID response. As far as Goa is concerned, are there any mock drills or any preparations apart from the regular that are being performed here?
Actually, we don't find it so alarming as of now, and we have got very few tests to be done. Now, some people who we suspect, we are sending them for RT-PCR. Our plans for COVID, if it outbursts, we have enough infra for the COVID management, and we have our plans in place. So I don't think we need to do a mock drill as such, and there is no need to. I don't want to send a wrong message to the public. So as of now, I think we did only 10-12 cases test which have come positive, and they are not very highly toxic or life-threatening.
Down south, Kerala recorded the sharpest single-day surge with 170 new active cases, bringing its total to 2,223. Gujarat and Karnataka followed with 114 and 100 fresh cases respectively. Health officials attribute this surge to newer, more evasive subvariants. These mutations are known for faster transmission and unpredictable symptoms. Alongside rising cases, 6 new COVID-related deaths were recorded nationwide. Maharashtra reported the death of a 43-year-old male suffering from severe respiratory issues and a compromised immune system. Subhashish Kuvekar, Dylan Rodriguez and Vaishnavi Salgaonkar for Goa 365.